ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ke National Cadet Corps 2nd Battalion Meghalaya harengkat ke jinge trelang bat ke Lions Club of Shillong bat kumjuru bat ke Regional Blood Center Pasteur Institute Shillong kala penlong ye ke blood donation camp ha ka baki samla ki badan ye ke mensim yarap ye ki waipat ki yo ban 1IA ye ke snam jongki kenang ba anla ban yarap ye ki bapang basitom ki badan kam kerke ya ke snam. Hagani kasngi kila don kumbasan pongut AA ki samla ki bawan Isnam A but ki babon ki day ki samla ki badan haka NCC kani ka blood donation camp ka longru shibenta kum ka jing rakhe ya kasngi kerpang jong ke NCC ka badai haka arpu pratrik ubna naiwing hagani kasngi le yo ban ya kren but away ni ki khot jong ka Lions Club UHK White but kumjuru but I Dr. B Pasa jong ka Regional Blood Center Pasteur Institute Shillong.
Very nicely they have organized the camp. So far they have screened almost about 40 to 45 cadets and other donors. After proper screening, each cadet will be provided by the NCC Directorate the necessary certificate by them for their blood donation, and after some time maybe you will be able to take. We have just had a little break in between, so all the doctors and the sisters, they have gone for a small rest for a few minutes and they'll be back. Once you see yourself, you will come to know that how responsive the cadets were here under the leadership of our commanding officer of 2nd Battalion here, NCC, Lieutenant Colonel Dharmesh, and their junior staff, whosoever is here. All have been working since morning, and it has been organized in a fully professional manner, and all protocols of the COVID and everything has been taken into account, and proper social distancing and everything has been maintained in view of the government directive. I hope similar camps will be organized in different medical facilities and survey camps along with the NCC Directorate here, Lions Club of Shillong, our member. We have our full team and hope for the best in the coming years to come. Thank you so much.
So far, how many donors have come?
So far, we have completed 40 and some more are left.
What's the target?
Target actually we had almost about 100, but I don't think we will be able to complete all 100 today. So they'll be good for the, maybe they will organize a second phase in consultation with our NCC Directorate here, and we will come to know. It will be distributed according to the requirement to the needy, because always we have a shortage of blood when you see people searching for a particular group, so they maintain stock. To get 40 to plus donors, it will be quite a good collection for them in our this camp today.
Last month, actually, we celebrated the National Voluntary Blood Donation Day. Nakato ngi labun ki camps bana penong na do bana October kan te menta ka anang beteng menta do November te ka jing mut jong kan ka sin dai kolong ba ngi kwa ban kriang te ki brio jongi khamtam am ban wan chakmat ban wan Isnam Sobha namar ba ka state jongi dang duna ba ki brio ba wan chakmat ban wan Isnam Sobha mende ban wan ai ban siu kliang ki ba wan shem mende ki ban wan Isnam Sobha dang duna ti kwa ban nang pensure ya ki brio baro ban wan cakmat namar kajing ais nam sobha kamde ek bakta ek kamet kan handai kadai kajing arab ka bakrau ya ki babun hi ki ba mla banwan dong ki bam don ki bria bahaya man ais nam te takabyang de kila banwan ais nam sobha ni kabyang kenika senam rohapok ki blood banks dan ki emergency ki nei mdong kam bandit mari action ni chatai ke nila banna blood bank bai ngin ai be kesnam kenam dan kerdu kan nang ni de ila de ai snam nang ni de ke snam nila ban phia lai benta ti kini lai benta la ke jong ke por ngila ban buat de te kadan kata ka pack cell kadi tu kesnam besar dan ngidon ki snam bali ru ke plasma ke platelets ti kini ke snam besar ko bakam dongkam ma te kata ngila ban bu tanga du sapu arsi dina takadau de ki wan ice nam kumni runde nimde mangila mencubu untuk kin borok sistem kadon ka expiry date no bingi on te ka kut no kan te dang nimdan inta kan ni damdan hi ki bawan jiwan untuk man ka pon nei kaduna no kasta ki kadon kitu ki bali kung ka platelets kung tang sansni e kin la kala benne te kadon ka plasma bat katu pat sistem ni la ban bu betul kidan kini ki license blood bank te bun hi namal bakim dalong aware baka dan ken repo Shillong idan kanika Nazareth Hospital yan ka Robert ro nata ka Pasteur Institute ka Regional Blood Bank dan Pasteur Institute nata ngidan Pradesh Jowai ro pengidan ka adika license blood bank te nangta ngidan Chatura ro nata te baca William Nagar barang thamai nata te nangta hakini ki blood bank sela bende ha kono no kapor ke office timing dah la bende eno no kapor bende Islam angka kente kibrio ki menta perti internet ne ki shu Google tang ki license blood bank sapo Meghalaya ki la lap hi ni kata